It's National Dog Day. We have to celebrate with dog games. I know. Let's head to Dogtown and celebrate in style.
Bad idea. Our family, the Crawls, are officially banned from Dogtown on National Dog Day.
But the clock tower incident was years ago. Grandad Crawl didn't mean it. But Grandad Crawl didn't do anything.
Incident? Clock tower? What did Grandad Crawl not do?
Grandad Crawl designed Dogtown's clock tower for National Dog Day. But the clock tower went bust right from its very first bong. So Grandad Crawl got the blame.
That's why our family name is Kitty Litter on National Dog Day. I heard the clock tower is haunted. And when it bongs, it turns the dogs into zombies.
What, like this?
The real reason the clock went bust has never been discovered. I wonder if there's a story there for the Marrowbone newspaper.
I can't let our family name be Cat Litter. Not on National Dog Day of all days.
Did you know Sphinx cats aren't actually bald? And that St. Bernards were once called Barry dogs, named after Barry, the most famous St. Bernard of them all.
A St. Bernard called Barry. Dogs are so confusing.
Now remember, stay cool, cats. We've got to find out why the clock tower went bust. But we've got to lay low, blend in. And no one will pay us any attention.
I can't say it. Don't let me say it. Must not say it.
What could possibly go wrong?
Ah, don't you say it. It's the cliché curse. Now we're doomed.
Welcome to Dogtown, kitty cats. Come on, nothing to be scared of. I've got your back.
That's almost worse than what could possibly go wrong.
Don't be such a sourpuss. Let's shake our tails and get a move on.
Okay, Flix, what's the plan?
Great question. No, seriously, great question. I'll think of something. I just need a bit of National Dog Day inspiration. Some hot dogs will get me thinking. Hello. Flix the dog. Pleased to meet you. I'm a dog, not a cat. Just celebrating National Dog Day with my friends here, who are cats. But it's okay. They're not crawls.
What happened to stay low, be cool, blend in?
All part of the plan.